I'm down by the fishing lake. I'm out fishing again. I thought I'd take this opportunity to show you this little fan that the company sent me. It's called a Gem 1 fan. It's made by Gem 1. I'll put a link, I think it's on Amazon. Good little price this, nice little fan. It's rechargeable. I'll just read out the info on the back here. They don't do it in green though. Obviously if they did it in Carp green you'd be paying more for it. But I think they're doing white. Oh, they've got green here, it says here, but I didn't see green on the listing. Maybe blue or pink. I think they sent me a black and gold one. So short press the switch once, low speed, press twice, medium low power, middle speed, medium high speed, high speed. Long press the switch for any speed to turn off the fan. So I'm just going to do a little unboxing. It comes in a nice little box. And I thought this would be ideal for when you're out camping or in your bivvy fishing and it gets a little bit hot. Comes in a little box with some instructions. I won't bother with instructions. You've got a little USB lead there to charge it up. And it comes in a bit of bubble wrap there, so you take that out there. And what we've got, it's not a bad little thing. Look, it can actually stick on the dashboard of your car if you want. You've got a sucker pad at the back there. It's something like a blue and gold one. It's not really what I wanted for me. It's got a little lanyard thing around your shoulder if you want. And it's alright. USB chargeable. You can't go wrong. You'd pay 2 or 3 times the price if that was made by certain cart companies. So press it once, it goes on. Again faster. Again faster. Again even faster. And again. And done. So you got 1 speed there, 2, 3, 4, 5, back to down to 1. And I think if you press and hold that, it switches off. Adjustable stand, so you can stick that on your bait box or your table in your bivvy or your camping table. USB port there, it's USB-C, the modern port, which is handy. It's all enclosed, so it's quite safe in there. Nice bit of kit, recommended. Try and get a green one if you can, but obviously I've got blue here. This is do. I think it's got a sticky pad there, but I'm not going to try that. Once that comes off, as you stick it, you sort of you're there forevermore, sort of thing, aren't you? But you could replace that with Velcro if you wanted to put some Velcro bits and pieces in your car, on your dashboard, or in your tent or your bivvy table or something like that. But handy bit of kit. Check it out. I'll put a link below to Amazon, or I'll try and get a discount for you if I can. Thanks for watching. Cheers.